So today I'm going to be showing you some great Hobonichi products I've received from JetPens and Amazon. This is a cute A6 notebook called Hobonichi Papers, and all of the papers can be easily taken out. The inside is plain paper with these cute stamps on them. JetPens, I apologize. The Roomba we named Fred is around, so he might make some noise. We have really great folders that will go in the back of my Hobonichi to hold on to my stickers and my papers and things. Then I have a syringe and some cartridges so I can fill my fountain pens. This is the Uni 1 pen. I have been trying to get a hold of one of these so I can try it out. Everybody raves about the ink in these pens. This is a placeholder, and you use it in your Hobonichi cousin. I also have one for my weeks, and I really like the way it works, so I got one for the cousin. And these are really beautiful washi tape stickers. They come apart individually as the flowers, and then these are little containers so you can plant your flowers in the containers. I thought that was super cute. And then this is traditional Japanese designs, and I just loved all the different colors, and they come as individual rounds, so I thought that was neat. And then the last thing are these little notebooks that you could tuck into the back of your cover of your cousin and use it for extra note taking. So that is my haul. I really loved everything I got, and I hope you enjoyed it. I wanted to do a quick video so I can start using these. Have a wonderful day. I hope that your world offers you lots of possibilities today.